Badboy buggy, watering the deer field. Six 12-volt lifetime 140 amp hour batteries. Put an inverter in here for now. Plugged in. It's pulling about 12 amps, running this Harbor Freight pump. It's quiet, no generator. Hauled about 175 gallons up here. Pumps out about 50 gallons every 4 minutes. Pretty quick, quiet. But this inverter pulling 103 DC amps off one battery, off my main battery here. Pulling 100 amps, using about 40% power of the inverter right now. It's doing good. Don't supply a lot of water, but a couple trips from the pond to here, when I don't get no rain for a while, keeps it alive. Deer don't mind the hose at all. They come walk all over it. Does good.